Hi, welcome to the Ecolo Odor Control Technology Inc.'s Training Center. My name is Bill Scott. I'm the Canadian Sales Manager, and today we're going to introduce you to the ACU.15 Pneumatic Vapor System. But before we do, I want to give you a quick panoramic view of our training center. Now, our training center has most of the equipment that we use to neutralize offensive odors in industrial, residential, commercial, and municipal sectors. But as mentioned earlier, today what I want to do is introduce you to the ACU.15 Pneumatic Vapor System, which is over here. Now, the ACU.15 Pneumatic Vapor System comes in three parts. There's a control unit, there's vapor units, and there's a pizza box. This is the control unit. It's made of a very strong polycarbonate material. When you open it up, you'll see two separately programmable digital timers. Each of these digital timers are connected to two separate oilless compressors. Now, these compressors are connected to two ports, and each of these ports via tubing are connected to two separate vapor units. Inside the vapor units, you have two separate vapor bottles with vapor solution connected to a vapor nozzle. And we're going to show you exactly what that looks like in a few minutes. But right now, what I want to emphasize is that when you install the control unit, do it at a comfortable height, do it near a door, and most importantly, near a 110 volt outlet. Now, let's talk about the pizza box. Now, the pizza box does not contain a pizza, but what it does contain are all the components in order to set up the system itself, starting with the actual manual. Now, aside from the manual, you'll have all the different components you're going to need. You're going to have mounting flanges, you're going to have mounting anchors, you're going to have a tube cutter, tube brackets, zip ties, and tubing itself.
Hi, my name is Karthik. And continuing from what Bill is talking about, let me just introduce to AC15 again, and then the vapor station. So once you install the AC15 and then vapor unit, this first thing you need to do is to install the tubing to the ports. So you need to install one tube to each port. After you do this step, the second step is to remove the empty bottle, fill it with the liquid that is provided by Ecolo, and screw it back again. And once these two steps are done, the third step is to connect it to a plug point, a 110 volt plug point. And once all this is done, step 4 is to turn the machine on. So the way to set up the digital controller, so you have 4 buttons here. First one is mode, second one is set, third and fourth are up and down. So mode is basically used to toggle between different screens. So you have multiple screens here. The first screen you see is event 1. The second screen you see is sent on or work, basically, which means that is how long the send or the vapor is or the machine is turned on. And the next screen is send pause, which is how long the machine is off. And the remaining screens are event 2, 3, and 4. Right. So once you have that idea, let me select mode to go into the first event, and then here I press set in order to select what I want to change. And to change, I use up and down. Up, basically you increase the value, and then down to decrease the value. And once you're happy with the setting you want, basically toggle between screens, and then you get to the main screen. So the important thing here is in the events, you can actually change the time as well as the days where you want the machine to be operating. So you can either choose from 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or anywhere between 7 days. Or you can choose the time from 12 o'clock in the morning till 12 o'clock tonight. So you can change the values, play with it, whichever seems fit. And another important thing is when the machine is running, the time which you can change is increments of 5 seconds. So it starts off at 5 seconds, and you can only use it until 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes. And the time which the system is off is also has the same concept here. Start from 5 seconds, increments of 5 till 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes. So play around whichever suits fine to your application or to your room size. Use it.
Thank you for watching this ACU.15 introductory video. And for further videos on Ecolo Odor Technology products, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a great day.